Hello Internet! Samsung just announced all of their new flippable and foldable phones and watches. So let's talk about watches because they look so mwah. The 2025 Galaxy Watch series featuring two models, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and Galaxy Watch 8.
And the good old Samsung Watch Ultra, but in a new color.
Let's start with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. It brings the timeless design upgrade with a slimmer, brighter, and larger classic screen, making everything easier to use. The iconic rotating bezel is back, giving you the fast, tactile control over your favorite apps. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 8 delivers a slicker, cushion-style design, perfect for those who want something smaller and more minimal without sacrificing any performance. Both watches are incredibly comfortable and built to fit seamlessly into your day. On both models, the personal AI assistant by Samsung AI and Google Gemini puts powerful hands-free support right on your wrist. So if you loved what Samsung did on their Galaxy devices in AI, then now you can enjoy the same thing on your wrist. Stay on schedule, get quick answers, and breeze through all of your tasks with your own AI assistant, anywhere, anytime. When it comes to health and sleep, both watches feature the advanced sleep coaching system, as if there's not enough coaching in your life. We need coaching in our sleep. Not in our sleep, but sleeping coaching. You get the point. Now improved with even more ways to track your nights and energize your days. But the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic pushes health tracking even further with deeper and more advanced features like sleep apnea detection, ECG, vascular load analysis, and antioxidant tracking, helping you unlock detailed insights about your body and meet your wellness goals. I mean, all of that is pretty great, but I don't have any smartwatch. Not skeptical, I just don't have it. I think I need one just to track my, fitness, bike rides. Last time I had smartwatch, I didn't sleep with it. I would put it on my bedside table because it's just uncomfortable for me. But I do have a lot of friends who have all these Apple Watches, Garmin's, watches from Samsung, like all of that. They get tons of data, which that's the weird part. They get tons of data about their health and they don't use it in any way, shape, or form. That's ironic, but you do have that. And there are a lot of users that can benefit from all these sensors, especially when you're getting older. And I'm almost 40, so I might start to need all these ECG and sleep apnea. For all of you 40 plus, let me know if I should start preparing. Both watches act as your personal health coach, but if you're looking for the most comprehensive health tracking experience, the Classic model gives you just that extra edge. In terms of power, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic features a slightly larger 445 mAh battery, while the Galaxy Watch 8 ranges from 325 to 435 mAh. Both designed so that you can be connected throughout your busy day. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is available in black and silver with the signature rotating bezel, while the Galaxy Watch 8 offers a more modern, lightweight design, also available in stylish color options. Both watches are powered by Galaxy AI, both are packed with productivity and health features, but if you're after a traditional look with advanced controls and deepest health insights, the Classic is your perfect fit. If you prefer slimmer, more casual style with all the essentials, then the Galaxy Watch 8 is more for you. And also please note, sleep and health tracking features are intended for general wellness and are not designed to diagnose or treat medical conditions. For medical advice, always consult a healthcare professional. So that's your 2025 Galaxy Watch 8 series. Smarter, healthier, more personal, and beautifully designed with a bunch of AI. Thanks for watching. Please support this video by hitting like, sharing this video, subscribing to this channel. I appreciate every single one of you because I don't have a lot of subscribers. I count them every day. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, please least support.